Hi! In front of me is VIVO IQOO Z8 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by going into Devices Settings and then selecting Notifications after scrolling down. Now you need to select App Settings and tap on the sweater next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications. You can turn them back on by tapping on the same, now gray sweater. You can also just click on one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!